What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I got my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra on deck. And today is going to be a video all about accessories. I'm going to show y'all some basic accessories that I use with my device, and also some accessories for content creators and streamers. How to rig out your device like they did on Streamer University, where they was using the S25 Ultra to live stream. So let's get into it. Do me a favor, guys. Make sure y'all subscribe. It's a lot of folks watching the channel. Some of y'all not subscribed, so make sure y'all subscribe. Cause your boy BG trying to grow the channel and make things bigger and better. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Okay, YouTube. So as you can see, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra here. Beautiful device, guys. $1,200 device. So the first thing that I would want you to do with this device is actually protect it. Yes, throw a case on your device. Even though you want to show off your device, I'm not into having to pay insurance deductibles or breaking devices. So the first thing I do is throw a solid case on. Now, shout out to Kadabi. They sent me out some cases for the S25 Ultra. I really rock with their Kadabi sheath. This is a very thick, very quality TPU case. Comes in a lot of dope colors. You can also customize the buttons. They have different colors of buttons. As you can see, I went with the eucalyptus color case and the gold buttons. Nice microfiber lining on the inside to protect your device. Kadabe branding. Also MagSafe. So as you can see, nice clean fit with the cameras recessed. Very important that you want the cameras recessed behind the case. So if this is dropped on a flat surface, the case takes the impact. Again, just a nice easy button press. Has a nice feel in the hand, doesn't add too much bulk, and at the same time, a nice raised lip around the display. So again, if you drop your device on a flat surface, instead of the display taking the impact, the raised up lip around the display will take the impact, possibly saving you from a cracked or shattered screen. So the next accessory is earbuds. I like to use these to listen to music and sometimes have phone conversations or watch content on YouTube. And the earbuds that I use, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. They're a very nice pair of earbuds. They look really nice aesthetically. I like the glass top. I like the silver. They sound really good. They have noise cancellation and just a whole host of features that you can utilize when you're utilizing them with the S25 Ultra. Now, as you can see, we got an ambient mode, adaptive, active noise cancellation. You can also change the EQ, customize your equalizer, find my earbuds, diagnostics, voice controls, all type of features going on with these Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 3s. Just a dope pair of earbuds that fit really well and have a lot of functionality. Now the watch I'm rocking right now, guys, with my S25 Ultra is my Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I like the classic watch. I like the look. It's a classic Samsung look. I do have another watch coming eventually, guys. Y'all definitely gonna get to see that. But right now, I just got it in a rugged case to give it like that kind of rugged G-Shock look, kind of like where it goes with everything. And I could throw it on. It's not looking too dressy. Now, if I do want to dress it up because it is a dope silver watch with a nice bezel, I will put the original Samsung band on there and rock it with the white Samsung band. But right now, just the rugged G-Shock look is what's going on. Also, as far as content, when you're using this watch, guys, you can actually use the camera control. If I use camera control on this watch and I'm trying to record myself, I can actually see myself in the watch and make sure I'm lined up correctly in the camera. So as you can see, the phone is on the table, pointed at the table, and you can see that also on the watch. I could start recording or take a picture, so that's dope on the content creation tip. So another accessory that definitely comes in handy is a power bank. This is a 10,000 milliamp power bank from a company called Binks. And it's very dope because it has a nice little kickstand in case you want to watch some content or whatever while you're charging up your device. Now, it's a nice white power bank, a little thick, but 10,000 milliamps. The thing I like about 10,000 milliamps is you could charge this device one time, one complete time, and then some. You know, if you get a 4,000 or 5,000 milliamp power bank, it's not charging your device to 100%. I want something that's going to top off my device, especially if I know I'm going to be doing something like recording some video or streaming. You might want to keep this in your pocket because that's intense on your phone and you're going to have some battery drain. Now, if you're rocking a Godiva case, you can use MagSafe, smack it on the back of your S25 Ultra, and get the charging. But that's only going to charge at max 15 watts. So what I like to do, because this power bank actually has two ports, a Type-C and a regular USB, so you can charge more things, as I like to use a Type-C cable, plug it into the S25 Ultra, so I could get like that 30-watt fast charge. Now getting to the nitty-gritty and speaking straight to the content creation. This is a tripod from a company called Ulanzi. Ulanzi sell pretty affordable budget type tripods and accessories for anything that you're doing with content creation. So I definitely like to pick up some of that stuff. Now this is a smaller tripod, so you can hold it in your hand like this. And it also extends, so you get a little extension also. And it comes with the phone holder. Now, with the phone holder, guys, on top, what you got is called a cold shoe mount. So that's normally what you will mount accessories to a camera with. So you can mount an accessory like a light up here. Because when you're recording video, you definitely might need a light, because you might not be in the best lighting. It might start to get dark. You might go in a dark room. So I would mount like a little light up here. But also, Ulanzi got slick with it, because you got another mount for another accessory to help out your video. And what I would mount down here is some type of microphone, because those are the two most important things when you're recording. You want to make sure your camera got enough light, and you want to make sure you getting decent audio. And I got some accessories just for that also. Now, when I say audio is important, you can really take your audio serious with something like this. This is the Rode Wireless Pro. This is a wireless audio setup where you got a transmitter and two microphones. So you can have two microphones, so maybe you can have two people talking, and that way you can get audio from both of them. You could actually set up a little podcast with these. You could record without a phone with these also. So this is a serious little system here. This one is a little bit more expensive. Rode also has some cheaper alternatives. I'll put the links down in the description. But like I said, you got a transmitter, and also with the transmitter, guys, it's going to be a screen. So you can actually see your levels from each mic while you're talking on this transmitter. And you got two microphones. So you can see as I'm talking, guys, the actual transmitter is picking up the audio from both of these microphones. And with this, you can take it a step further, guys. So if you want to be in the camera and you want to be the cameraman, or you want to act like you're doing the news, Rode also gives you a little makeshift microphone, like you can be set up like you holding a microphone for these wireless mics. All you do is take a wireless mic and insert it in here and put this one phone on the top of it, and now you got your microphone like you WJZ 13 News. Also, guys, if you look at the case, this is a charging case, so you can plug a Type-C into this case, charge this case, and this case charges the actual transmitter and the two microphones. Last but not least, I got some lighting from Ulanzi. I love Ulanzi, guys. They got some fair prices and some good products. But this is just like a little light that you will mount to the top of that tripod to light your face or light whatever it is that you record. Because, you know, sometimes when you record in the weather, the time of day may not work with you. And especially if you just recording yourself, you need something to light up your face. It's going to make your video camera have better quality. No matter what type of camera you use, a mirrorless camera to the cheapest phone camera, lighting is very important. Lighting can make the quality actually look better. And as you can see, it will mount onto the mount. And also, if you need to attach more things, like you needed to attach a microphone, but it wasn't a spot to attach a microphone, this light has different attachments. And with this light, you can turn up the brightness, turn down the brightness, and also work with the light balance. This light has a 2,000 milliamp battery built in, so it lasts a while, and you charge it with a Type-C, just like you would charge your phone, or just like you would charge those Rode wireless mic case. So it all works on Type-C also, so that's a good thing. Now I just wanted to show y'all guys what it would look like, guys. As you can see, I got the Ulanzi actual tripod. I got the transmitter for the wireless mic. The wireless mics would be like connected to me or another person I want to get audio from. The transmitter is right here, plugged up to the S25 Ultra with a Type-C to Type-C cable, and we got a light in case we need to light ourselves or we need to light a subject, things of that nature. And I mean, everything is real simple, plug and play, press record type thing. Now, as you can see, we in video mode. Now, if I go ahead and press record, S25 Ultra, let me know I'm recording through a USB mic. That would be the actual Rode wireless mic, guys. So this is something similar to what they had at Stream University. This is what everybody had. They was running around with the mics and the S25 Ultra. Something as simple as this, guys, could get you actually a long way in streaming or content creation. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I just wanted to show y'all that. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. I'm out. Peace.